Shining bright with words, unpacking, bright as a button. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's as charming as it is pictorial. Bright as a button. This expression is a gem in the English language, illustrating not just the language's beauty but also its ability to paint vivid images with just a few words. So, if you're ready to add some sparkle to your English vocabulary, let's get started. Bright as a button is an idiom that describes someone who is quick-witted, intelligent, and alert. Interestingly, it doesn't literally involve buttons or brightness in the way we might think. Instead, bright here refers to sharpness of mind or intelligence, and button is thought to evoke the idea of something small and shining, suggesting keenness or liveliness. It's a compliment to someone's mental agility or spirited character. The phrase is believed to have originated in the 19th century. While the exact origin isn't clear, it's thought that button was used because buttons were small, shiny, and noticeable, qualities that could easily be associated with sharpness and alertness in a person's demeanor. Over time, this expression became popular for highlighting someone's cleverness in a playful and endearing way. To help you incorporate bright as a button into your everyday conversation or writing, let's look at a few examples. 1. Even after a long day at work, Julia remains as bright as a button, always ready to tackle new challenges. 2. My grandson is only 5, but he's bright as a button, asking questions about everything. 3. Despite the complex nature of the puzzle, she solved it quickly, proving she's as bright as a button. Using this phrase can add a layer of warmth and admiration when you're describing someone's mental acuity or energetic presence. It's interesting to note that bright as a button is more commonly used in British English, though it's understood and appreciated in other English-speaking countries as well. There are variations in idioms across cultures that express similar admiration for intelligence and alertness, but this particular phrase carries a quaint, almost nostalgic charm that is uniquely English. Bright as a button is more than just a saying. It's a colorful thread in the tapestry of the English language, celebrating sharpness of mind and vivacity of spirit. We hope this exploration has not only brightened your day but also added a shiny new expression to your linguistic collection. Keep shining in your language learning journey, and remember, every word and phrase you learn adds a unique sparkle to your communication skills. See you in the next video.